Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to look at the present simple tense in English grammar. So, think you can master the present simple in under 5 minutes? Let's find out. It's among the first grammar structures in English, yet even advanced learners stumble over it. So, why is this simple tense so tricky? Sure, you probably know the basics. Habits, routines, general truths, but the present simple goes beyond these uses, which is where things start to get interesting and confusing. A big part of the problem is how much it overlaps with other tenses. Should you use the present continuous or the present simple for a future arrangement? What about actions that started in the past and are still going on? Is that the present perfect? Or does the present simple actually work better? These aren't easy calls, and many learners make them harder by trying to memorize rules rather than understand the logic behind them. Here's what often gets overlooked. The present simple isn't just for stating facts. It shows up in timetables, in scheduled events, in instructions where clarity matters, and in storytelling where it pulls the reader right into the action. It can even describe past events to make them feel vivid and immediate. So, what's the key? Perspective. Use present simple for general, habitual, or timeless descriptions. This idea guides all its uses. It's not just about events but how you frame them. Once that clicks, the tense feels more intuitive. Present simple is one of English's most flexible tools. Habits, schedules, instructions, storytelling. Mastering it means understanding the speaker's perspective. Share your trickiest present simple questions or grammar mistakes in the comments and subscribe now for practical grammar tips that you can use right away. Goodbye.